Power on and connect. Just got your new Shots Neo 2 wireless earbuds? Let's get you all set up. Before we begin, make sure that your smartphone and Shots Neo 2 are next to each other and the earbuds are fully charged. Done? Let's start. Power on. The earbuds will automatically turn on when you open the charging case. Power off. The earbuds will automatically turn off on closing the charging case. HyperSync technology and pairing. HyperSync technology. Shots Neo 2 comes with HyperSync technology that lets the earbuds go into pairing mode as soon as you open the charging case. This technology is also equipped with power-saving feature that turns off the earbuds as soon as you place them inside the charging case and close the lid. Pairing. Open the charging case. Turn on the Bluetooth of your device and open the Bluetooth menu. Now select Add Device, and from the list of devices, select Shots Neo 2. Your Shots Neo 2 earbuds are now paired and ready to use. Shots Neo 2 will automatically connect to the last paired device as soon as you open the case. Gaming mode. Gaming mode. To activate gaming mode, tap the right earbud 3 times. Music and volume control. To play, pause, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To go to the next song, touch and hold the right earbud for 2 seconds. To go back to the previous song, touch and hold the left earbud for 2 seconds. Volume control. To increase the volume, tap the right earbud once. To decrease the volume, tap the left earbud once. Call controls and voice assistant. To answer an incoming call, tap either left or right earbud once. To end a call, tap either left or right earbud 2 times. To reject an incoming call, touch and hold either left or right earbud for 2 seconds. Activating Voice Assistant. In order to activate Voice Assistant on your Android or iPhone, tap the left earbud 3 times. How to wear Shots Neo 2. Shots Neo 2 come with default fin earmuff along with extra earmuffs for added comfort. They also have 3 pairs of silicone ear tips. Choosing the right-sized earmuffs and ear tips can make your music listening experience even better. So if you don't find the perfect fit in the first go, then try the small and large ear tips and fin earmuffs. Make sure that the hook on the fin tips is facing upwards and locked inside the crevices of the ear. Reset. If you are having trouble with your Shots Neo 2, try resetting with the following steps. Before resetting, make sure that your earbuds are fully charged. On your paired devices, remove or delete Shots Neo 2 from the list of paired devices in the Bluetooth menu. Turn off the Bluetooth of your device. Take out the earbuds from the charging case. Long press the touch area of both the earbuds simultaneously for 3 seconds, or until the LED blinks in red once, indicating power off. Now long press the touch area of both the earbuds simultaneously for 6 seconds, or until the LED blinks in red and green 3 times, indicating pairing mode. Now put the earbuds back in the charging case and repeat the pairing process.